यस मैम।
हाँ, हम ये डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि अबाउट द ब्यूटाडाइल कोलिन एस्टरेज।
यस सर। यस मैम।
तो एसिटाइल कोलिन एस्टरेज क्या हुआ? एसिटाइल कोलिन एस्टरेज is the enzyme which is
ट्रांस
responsible for the degradation of very fast action,
अच्छा।
and it is responsible for the degradation of acetylcholine at the or at the cholinergic site, and causes the termination of action of acetylcholine, or responsible for the termination of action of the acetylcholine. And this but one another class of enzyme which is found in the body, it is also called pseudocholine esterase, that is the butyrylcholine esterase. This butyrylcholine esterase is not responsible for the transmission of cholinergic transmission, or it is not involved in the cholinergic transmission, but it is responsible for the hydrolysis or degradation of esters, which is exogenously taken from outside the body. So it is responsible for the degradation of esters, which is taken from outside, and it is mainly present in the plasma, liver, intestine, and white matter. But as this cholinergic acetylcholinesterase is present in the all cholinergic cholinergic transmission, all sites where cholinergic transmission occurs, and in the RBC also it is present, acetylcholinesterase. People usually ask the difference between the acetylcholinesterase and pseudocholinesterase or butyrylcholinesterase. So this is sometimes examination also. It is usually asked that what is the butyrylcholinesterase, or what is the difference between acetylcholinesterase and butyrylcholinesterase. So as far as hydrolysis of the esters are choline esters are concerned, this hydrolysis of acetylcholine, very fast hydrolysis of acetylcholine is caused by acetylcholine esterase, because it in microseconds, because it is responsible for the termination of action of acetylcholine released by one nerve impulse. So it removes the acetylcholine and prepares the neurons for the next nerve impulse. So this is action is very fast. Degradation or hydrolysis of acetylcholine by the acetylcholine esterase is very fast, whereas this hydrolysis of acetylcholine by the pseudocholine esterase is slow. Now, methacholine is also a choline ester. So this hydrolysis of the methacholine by the acetylcholine is slower slower, but methacholine is not hydrolyzed by pseudocholine esterase. Now, benzoyl choline, it is not hydrolyzed by acetylcholine esterase, but it is hydrolyzed by pseudocholine esterase. Butyrylcholine is not hydrolyzed by acetylcholine esterase, whereas it is hydrolyzed by butyrylcholine esterase. Now, inhibition of the enzyme, it is very, very important. You will learn different inhibitors of acetylcholine esterase enzyme in the sympathetomimetic, when we will learn, or when we will study about the sympathetomimetic drugs which is responsible for the stimulation of sympathetomimetic nahi, parasympathetomimetic, the drugs which is responsible for the stimulation of parasympathetic system. So उसमें हम पढ़ेंगे, तो उसमें हम एक चीज मेजर क्लास ऑफ ड्रग है, that is the anticholine esterase, the drug which blocks the एसिटाइल कोलिन स्टोरेज एंजाइम। सो उसमें हम पढ़ेंगे फाइसोस्टिग्मीन, नियोस्टिग्मीन, ऑर्गेनोफॉस्फेट्स आगे पढ़ेंगे हम लोग। तो उसमें हम दैट आर द इनहिबिटर्स ऑफ एसिटाइल कोलिन स्टोरेज। एसिटाइल कोलिन स्टोरेज के इनहिबिशन से क्या होगा कि इफ द एसिटाइल कोलिन स्टोरेज इज इनहिबिटेड, so the degradation of acetylcholine at the cholinergic transmission site will be inhibited. So there will be stimulation of cholinergic transmission, and there will be stimulation of parasympathetic functions. So here inhibitors more sensitive to physoestigmine, acetylcholine esterase will be more sensitive to a inhibitor, that is the physoestigmine, but pseudocholinesterase will be more sensitive to the organophosphate compounds. Organophosphates are a group of insecticides. So this pseudocholinesterase will be more sensitive to the inhibition with the organophosphates. Now function क्या हुआ? Function, we know the function of acetylcholinesterase. It is the termination of acetylcholine at the cholinergic site, whereas ब्यूटाइल कोलिन एस्टरेज का क्या फंक्शन होगा? फंक्शन ब्यूटाइल कोलिन फंक्शन is the degradation or hydrolysis of exogenously administered or exogenously taken esters in the body. So that's why it is present in high quantity in the plasma or blood or liver. So liver is the site of metabolism of exogenous substances. Whether it is पढ़े होंगे आप लोग जनरल में भी कि लीवर का जो मेजर मेटाबॉलिज्म होता है ड्रग का, वो कहाँ होता है? What is the site of metabolism? Drug is a xenobiotic, or it is metabolized or it is degraded in the body. In which organ? It is the liver. Liver is the main metabolizing organ, but there are other organs also, such as liver, such as kidney, lung, skin. So in सब में mucosa, gastrointestinal mucosa, इसमें भी होता है degradation, but liver is the major metabolizing organ where drugs are metabolized, degraded, and excreted from the, after degradation it is excreted or eliminated from the body with the help of kidney or with the help of bile. It is released in the feces. So यहाँ पे that's why it is present, pseudocholinesterase is present mainly because its action is its function is the degradation or hydrolysis or breakdown of the exogenously administered or exogenously taken different type of esters which may be harmful to the body. That's why it causes the degradation, and it is present mainly in the plasma, liver, intestine. But function of acetylcholinesterase is the termination of cholinergic transmission, so it is present. So it will be present at the different cholinergic transmission sites. So this is the difference between the acetylcholinesterase and butyrylcholinesterase. This I have discussed because people or the examiner usually ask the difference between the acetylcholinesterase and pseudocholinesterase. So these are all you have to study the different in previous class also different states of neurotransmission I have discussed, and in this class I have discussed the different steps of cholinergic transmission. So because these and the steps at which drugs acts or different the steps which is inhibited by different agents, you have to remember these steps, because this neurohumoral transmission is this we discuss in detail because the autonomic drugs or जितने भी ऑटोनॉमिक ड्रग्स हैं वो न्यूरोह्यूमरल ट्रांसमिशन को ही अफेक्ट करते हैं, मेनली अफेक्ट करते हैं, कंडक्शन को कम अफेक्ट करते हैं. इसीलिए हम इसको डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं कि बाय व्हाट स्टेप्स आर इन्वॉल्व इन द न्यूरोह्यूमरल ट्रांसमिशन और कोलिनर्जिक ट्रांसमिशन और एड्रिनर्जिक ट्रांसमिशन, एंड एट व्हाट स्टेप्स डिफरेंट ड्रग्स और डिफरेंट एजेंट्स acts on which steps. So you have to remember the on which steps different drug or agent act and produces its effect. So this is all about the cholinergic transmission, and we will finish now the today's class. In next class, we will discuss. We will continue this cholinergic transmission, other aspects, cholinergic receptor, uh, different types of cholinergic receptor. Then, what is the pharmacological actions of the acetylcholine? We will discuss in the next class. So now we will end this class.